Be welcome to my crib. Let's come on. Let's check it out. What we got here? Oh yeah, we got probably like 10 feet of spacious foot area right here. Yeah, and oh look at these. Got a little decoration. Keeps good luck, wards the spirits away. Especially when you're out here alone and when you go to sleep, you definitely get a lot of weird images going through your head. Anyways, let's go inside. What? Let's check this out. You got like, this is like probably like a 200 thread count net. You know, they don't make this anymore, you know. Straight from Malaysia or somewhere. Check out some. Let's go to the kitchen. Come on. We got some chicken a la king. I don't even know what that is, but I live like a king, and I know how to live it. I'm packing up right now. As you can see, I have a really sweet roll that I sleep on. It's like sleeping on a cloud, pretty much. Sometimes you got some sticks poking through, but you know it's no big deal. Let's just close this up, you know, so we don't have any, you know, bugs coming in and squatting on our spot, because that's not good. But anyways, let's check out the backyard. Come on. As you can see, there's my little abode right there. Gotta keep the trash bag up, so you know, to know where you're coming from. But let's go this way. Oh, what's this? We got freaking Niagara Falls over here. I mean, it's not Niagara Falls, it's way smaller. See this, MTV? This is America, where all your dreams can come true, and especially geological formations that are created over millions of years that create waterfalls. It also created this thing right here. That was created probably, I'd price that at about like 1,000 years, probably. But yeah. Now get in my crib. Get in my crib, MTV. Get out. Get out.